Good morning, students. How are you? Fine. We have completed our revision of chapter number 2. In this chapter number 2, exercise 2.2, 2.4 and 2.6 have some statement based questions. So we will do some extra questions like the statement based questions that will help you to practice these questions. Okay. So I have some extra questions. Look at this on the board. Question number 1. Question number 1. The 4/5 of a number is fifth of a number is more than 3/4 of the number of that number. एक नंबर दोनों सेम है, that number by 4. Find the numbers. Okay, so question number 1 is this. Now how to evaluate this? Look at this question. The 4/5 of the number. So it's a solution. Now let required number is x. Required number is x. So according to question, 4/5, 4 by 5 of the x, 4 by 5 of the x is more than 4/5 4 by 5 of a number. नंबर क्या है हमारे यहाँ पर x. तो 4 by 5 of x is more than 3 by 4 of that number, यानी कि x by 4. Okay, so now let us rewrite in the form of, इसे हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? इसे लिख सकते हैं 4x by 5 minus 3x by 4 is equal to 4. Now we have to take the LCM. दोनों के दोनों like terms हैं, both are the like terms, so no need to transact each and anyone. So now LCM is 20. 4 5s are 20. तो 5 का टेबल देखिए, 5 4s are 4 पे गए तो 4 4s are 16 माइनस. अब 4 का टेबल देखिए, 20 आए तब तक 4 5s are 5 पे गए तो 5 3s are 15x is equal to 4. So now we can see 16x minus 15x is equal to x. Divide by 20 is equal to 4. So therefore, we can say when we transpose 20 to the right hand side, we will get 4 into 20 यानी कि 80. So we get the value of 80. So required number is 80. Okay. So this is our answer. Now let us solve the next question. Question number 2. These are some extra questions. Extra, even outside of the NCERT. Because you don't have the book from which I am giving you the questions, so I am just writing all the questions. The question number 2. The difference between the squares of two consecutive number is 31. Find the numbers. So how to operate it, how to solve this question? Look at this. Now it's solution. The difference between the square of two consecutive numbers. So let required numbers are x and x plus 1. So we consider just two numbers, consecutive numbers are x and x plus 1. So according to question, the difference between the squares, तो larger number हमारे पास है x plus 1. x plus 1 का square, the first number is x and second number is x plus 1. Okay, so x plus 1 larger number है, the larger number minus lower number होगा, तो larger number का square minus lower number का square, then this will be equal to 31. So x plus 1 square minus x square is equal to 31. So there is a property of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, यानी 2x minus x square is equal to 31. So remember the property, मैं यहाँ property लिख देता हूँ. You have to remember this property because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, you have to remember this property. Okay, now come to the next line. Now, what is the value? Now, its value will be equal to x square minus x square will cancel out, it will 0. Now, the 2x plus 1 is equal to 31. 1 को transpose कर दीजिए, 2x is equal to 31 minus 1, it will be 30. So therefore x will be, यहाँ 2 multiply है, 2 को transpose करेंगे, we will get 30 divided by 2, it means 15. So x का value 15. So required numbers क्या होंगे हमारे पास? So required numbers are 15 and 16. 15 and 16. These are the required numbers. Okay. Now next one, question number 3. आप वीडियो को पॉज करके क्वेश्चन को नोट कर सकते हो, फिर सेल्फ ट्राई कर सकते हो, ठीक है. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. Find the number whose double. Find the number whose double is 45 more than, you may say greater than its half. Now you can understand the question. You can suppose any number and whose double, it means 2x. If a number is x, then whose double is 2x, and this 2x is 45 more than its half. Half means x by 2, it's half. So here we will consider the number as 2x. इसका solution करेंगे. Look at this. Let required number is 2x. Number is 2x. Now twice of that number, twice of that number is equal to 2 multiply 2x, यानी कि 4x हो गया, and half of that number, इसका हाफ कितना होगा बेटा? देखिए आप, हमने 2x लिया इसलिए बिकॉज हमें हाफ फाइंड करना है. नाउ हाफ विल बी x. हम यहाँ x ले रहे थे तो ये हो जाता 2x और ये हो जाता x by 2. नाउ हमने इसे क्या कंसीडर कर लिया? 2x. तो इसका डबल हो गया 4x और इसका हाफ हो गया x. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, लुक एट दिस. फाइंड द नंबर whose double is 45. Whose double means this. 4x minus x is equal to 45. So 4x minus x, 3x is equal to 45. So therefore x is equal to 45 divided by 3. That is equal to 15. So required number required number is what? Twice of that number. So 2 into 15, 30. तो रिक्वायर्ड नंबर हमारे पास क्या होगा बेटा? 30. इसका डबल क्या होगा? 60. और हाफ क्या होगा? 15. 60 minus 15, it is equal to simply 45. Okay, this is your question number 3rd. You can try by yourself all of these questions, okay, so that you can practice yourself more. Question number 4. Now find the number such that find the number such that when 5 is subtracted, when 5 is subtracted from 5 times of that number, from 5 times of that number, 5 times of that number, the result is 4. More than the result is 4 more than its twice, or more than the twice of that number, twice of that number. Okay, you can understand the question again. Find the number such that, एक नंबर हमें सर्च करना है, when the 5 is subtracted from that number, from 5 times of that number. यानी कि अगर हमने x को सपोज किया, क्वेश्चन सिंप्लीफिकेशन solution. Look at this. Let number is required number be. Required number is what? Required number is x. If the required number is x, you can consider that the 5 times of that number is 5x. Okay, so we can write it according to question. 5 times of that number is 5x minus 5. When we subtract 5 is subtracted from the 5 times of that number, 5 times of that number, 5x minus 5, then the result is equal to 4 plus 4 more than the twice of that number. It means 2x. 4 more than 2x. Now like terms हमारे क्या है? 5x and 2x. तो 2x को हमें ट्रांसपोज करना है 5x की साइड, यानी कि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. So it will becomes minus 2x. अब 5 and 4 both are constant terms, तो इनको minus 5 को we will transfer to the right hand side. So 4 plus 5, 9. Now 5x minus 2x, it is equal to 3x. It is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So therefore x is equal to 9 by 3. So x का वैल्यू क्या आएगा? The result will be, answer will be 3. The question is very easy, simplest question. Statement is larger, but the question is, answer is easy. Okay, so you have to practice these questions by yourself, such a questions. Okay, on the upcoming Sunday test मैं इस तरह के questions बहुत दूंगा आपको, ठीक है? Now come to the next question number 5. Now a number whose fifth part increased by a number whose fifth part increased by 5 is equal to its fourth part. diminished by 5, diminished by 5. Find the number. Find the number. Okay. Now look at this. Solution. A number whose fifth part is increased by 5. So let the number, let required number is equal to x. If we increase by 5, if whose fifth part is increased by 5, 80 cube according to question, x by 5. Fifth part इसका क्या होगा? 1/5 means 1/5 of x is increased by 5. It is equal to when the 1/4 part, इसका fourth part यानी x by 4 is diminished by 5. यानी कि दोनों पार्ट क्या हो गए? इक्वल हो गए. नाउ इन द केस, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लाइक टर्म्स हम एक साइड करते हैं. 5x by 5 minus x by 4. हमें इसको ट्रांसपोज करना है टू द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और 5 को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे टू द राइट हैंड साइड. सो -5 अगेन. ओके, चलिए +5 था, उधर जाके -5. नाउ टेक द एलसीएम. 20 as the LCM. नाउ 5 4 जा तो 4x minus 4 5 जा then 5x. It is equal to -10. Now on simplifying, what we get? This is minus x upon 20 is equal to -10. So therefore, you can say therefore x is equal to -10 divided by -20. You may say minus से minus cancel. So 10 divide not divide by sorry. It's already division में है 20. So आ जाएगी multiplier. So it will be 200. Okay. So now answer will be 200. So value of the x यानी कि required number is 200. Okay. Now come to the next question. Question number 6. Now look at this. Question number 6. A sum of rupees 800 is in the form means यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेशन से बात है. in the form of denominations of rupees 10 and 20 and rupees 20. If the total number of the notes be 50, if the total number of notes be 50, find the number of the notes of each type. Find the number of notes of each type. ठीक है बेटा. Look at this. इसका सॉल्यूशन कैसे होगा? सम ऑफ रुपीज 800. तो टोटल अमाउंट कितना है हमारे पास? टोटल अमाउंट 800 रुपीज. टोटल करेंसी, टोटल नोट्स 50. नंबर ऑफ द नोट्स 50. हमारे पास दो तरह के डिनोमिनेशन है, 10 रुपीज एंड 20 रुपीज. ओके, सो लेट number of notes of 10 rupees x. अगर 10 rupees के notes x है, then number of notes of 20 rupees कितने हो गए बेटा? 50 minus x. Simply total 50 given है ना. Now find the number of the notes of each type. अब इनकी जो वैल्यू है अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, एक नोट की वैल्यू 10 रुपीज वाले एक नोट की वैल्यू 10 रुपीज है, तो ऐसे x नोट की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? 10 into x, it means 10x. और 20 रुपीज के एक नोट की वैल्यू 20 रुपीज है, सो 50 माइनस एक्स, इतने नोट्स है हमारे पास, तो इनकी वैल्यू कितनी हो गई, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 20, इनका टोटल सम 800 आएगा। नाउ 10x प्लस 20 इंटू 550 1000 माइनस 20x इज इक्वल टू 8000। ओके, नाउ minus 10x plus 1000 is equal to 800. So therefore minus 10x is equal to 800 minus 1000. So क्या वैल्यू आएंगी, minus 10x is equal to minus 200. So therefore x is equal to minus 200 divided by minus 10. So 20. Minus से minus cancel, 10 से 10 cancel, and you will get x is equal to 20. So number of notes, number of 10 rupees notes कितने हो गए बेटा, 20, एंड नंबर ऑफ 20 रुपीज नोट्स कितने हो गए बेटा, 30, 50 माइनस 20। ओके, सो दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 6। ओके, इसके सिमिलर क्वेश्चंस को आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, ठीक है, मैं आपको ऑनलाइन क्लास में आपको इसके सिमिलर क्वेश्चन दे चुका हूँ, उन क्वेश्चंस को आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a number consists of, not this one, write this one, question number 7, divide 184 into 2 parts. Into 2 parts, okay, such that 1/3 of one part may exceed 1/7 part. By 8. So divide the 184 into the 2 parts such that 1/3 of one part, इसके 2 पार्ट हमने किए हैं 84 के, लेट फर्स्ट पार्ट x, तो सेकंड पार्ट क्या होगा, will be 184 minus x. Now 1/3 part of one part may exceed the 1/7 part of other part by 8, ऐसे होगा, ठीक है। Now look at this solution. First part हमने x assume किया, second part 184 minus x. So according to question, 1/3 part of first one, हमने इसका 1/3 part लिया, may exceed 1/3 part of first one इनके x का may exceed the 1/7 part of the other by 8. Okay, इसका 1/7 part हो गया, इसका 1/3 part हो गया, and the result will be 8 होना चाहिए। Let us simplify. Now first of all let us take the LCM. LCM is 21. 7x minus 3 into 184 minus x, okay, is equal to 8. Now 7x minus 3 into 84, 552, 8 3s are 12, 54 and 1 52, 55. Now minus plus 3x divided by 21 is equal to 8. Now 8 को ट्रांसपोज 21 को ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे, what we get, 7 plus 3 10x minus 552 multiply 8 multiply 21. So 8 multiply 21 is equal to 8 to the 16, 168. So therefore 10x is equal to, what is the value of the 10x? 10x will be equal to 168 plus 552. Add कीजिए, so it is 10 0 2, 1 carry, 5 and 1, 6 and 1, 7. So therefore value of the x will be equal to 720 divided by 10, 72 answer. Okay, so its first part is 72. Required answer में क्या हो गया? Its first part is 72 and the second part will be equal to 184 minus 72, 112. Okay, now this is your question number 7. So इसके कुछ similar based questions मैंने आपको क्लास में दिए हैं, लाइव क्लास में. Then solve there. I will also share you on the WhatsApp the same questions. Okay, so do practice these statement based questions whenever you have time. And if you have any doubt in any questions, some extra questions or of the book, whatever be the questions, you may ask me. Okay, and do practice for the statement based questions. Okay, thank you.